dear visitors at the Sesotec trade show booth. Now the show is quasi over, and we would like to thank you very much for your visit here on our booth. We were very happy to present you all our new products, our innovations, our systems for the entire circular economy. That means totally network solution for the plastic producing, plastic manufacturing, and even recycling. And we were very proud and even happy to present you our new solutions with artificial intelligence, which makes the difference, which helps for a still better result in sorting and in detection. And we are totally convinced that this will help you for higher productivity and for a higher efficiency. It was a fantastic show. We had a lot of good discussions with you, and we are very proud that we can continue with you for a very successful cooperation. And we promise you that we will make a lot of efforts even in the future to offer you perfect solution for the future. Thank you very much for coming. All the best, and see you at the next K-Show.